G'day. This Monday, I would just like to talk about communication. Body language is in every experience you can possibly have, yet we're not aware of how our body language affects every conversation that we have, even with ourselves. So this Monday, just take that moment to think about how your body is right now. Are you feeling good? Are you using the power of those 700,000 different movements to make you feel good and to make others feel good? So enjoy your Monday. Enjoy that great feeling that you get when you have positive body language, and have a great day.